Swipe the screen from left edge to right. Tap M. Drag the sample line to the target position. Tap Update. Swipe left and right to change the M gain. For more parameters, tap the System Tools button. Set up an image. Select a proper sweep speed. Tap the video camera icon during live scanning to save a cine in real time. After freezing, tap the camera icon to save a still image. Tap the video camera icon to save a retrospective cine. Tap the play button or drag the progress bar to review the current cine.